Being skinny is like living life in two dimensions. Nobody sees you for who you really are. Your friends, that girl over there, and even your own family members. Fuck this, let's go on the attack for our lives and get three-dimensional. Look, I've been there, a skinny toothpick like ectomorph teen, and I've become a strong, jacked young man that does inspire others to get fit. So in this video, I'll give you the remedy to fix being skinny in 4 simple steps so you start winning at life and controlling your physique. Let's pump ourselves into it. The first and most important step is to train like a savage as much as we can, and that is composed of 3 main components. First, no gains ever came from a well-balanced diet alone. As a starter, you need to trigger the need for growth that comes from destroying and tearing apart your muscles. So how do you do that when you go to the gym or your nearest calisthenic park? Well, it all starts with your attention. You have to select and dedicate yourself to a specific training period window of 30 to 45 minutes or even more, and really nothing else. In fact, the less disturbed you are, the better your mind and muscle connection on every single exercise. So that means that you never pause in between your sets to scroll on your freaking phone. And you know what? I've been going to the same gym for almost 2 years, and it still amazes me how some dudes just never changes in their whole physique. They are still unfit, fattier, and the only thing they keep doing in between sets is being distracted. Let me tell you, within the thousands of workouts that I've done in my life, the best ones were when I was totally focused on my workout, my exercise, and the worst ones when I was distracted or my headspace was elsewhere, right? And then once you're training with attention and focus, you really need to turn on the notch and double up your intensity. That means you need to go to failure on at least 1 set per exercise, and ideally 2, so you get to really burn down that muscle. That also means that you need to track down what you've done the last workout so you get to progressive overload in the next one by either increasing the volume or the weight. And by doing this, you're gonna go past your limits and increase your growth factor. The second step is to eat what your mom cooks, not once, but twice. Look, once you've worked out, your muscle needs to repair themselves during the sleep, but for that to happen, they need protein and micronutrients. And generally speaking, your mamas knows what's good for you, so don't be shy and go for another plate. Then, if you need more food advice, stick with animal protein and animal fats so you get all the testosterone prerequisite. For instance, instead of eating 1 or 2 eggs for breakfast, go for 4 cooked in butter. And that's actually really good for you compared to all the sugary cereal out there that we've been told to eat since we were young. The third step is to stay consistent by maintaining discipline. If your training, diet, and sleep is suboptimal, but you're being consistent with it, guess what? You will have better results than the guy who has a optimal sleep schedule, optimal diet, and optimal training plan, but is being inconsistent. It's just a fact, and I am the proof of this. With that said, how do you keep discipline, Nick Clapp? Well, I'll tell you, it's by having wins throughout the day. For example, it's waking up early without hitting that snooze button. It's preparing your to-do list the night before and stick to it in the morning. Really, it's just doing the things you said you were gonna do, or simply doing what you're even thought of. In turn, that means you're making more good decisions than bad ones, and that leads into not skipping the gym instead of going to scroll on your social media or even playing mind-absorbing video games. The less you skip the gym, the quicker your desired results. Speaking of results, if you need help achieving your main character physique by building strength and muscle, then check out my Gumroad service in the first link down below so you get your own training package that is a personalized training program specifically designed for you and your needs so you don't fall into generic bullshit workouts. Scroll down and click on the first link down below. Then if you need a free physique review so you get to understand the strengths and the weaknesses of your physique, then check out the second link down below, click the Google form and fill it to get your free physique review. The fourth and final step is to be patient as a tortoise. The old fable is true when faced with fitness's reality. The rabbit sleeps and fades away, while the turtle go forth and achieve its dream physique. so you better take your time and not get burned out of the process. Too many times I've seen gym enthusiasts leaving the gym and coming back 2 weeks or even months later with 10, 25 and even 30 pounds heavier and start back from zero. And taking its time also means getting a lot of sleep so you get to maximize your growth factor, since during the sleep is where the muscles being actually built better and bigger. My personal daily aim is 9 hours in bed. That factors in the time for me to fall asleep and a 8 hours window of true sleep. In conclusion, you need to train like a savage as much as you can so you get to eat a lot. Then stay consistent and patient with the process. The outcome is, in that case, 100% guaranteed. So go click on the first link down below to get your training package and achieve your main character physique, or the second link for a free physique review. This was Nick Lab. Here we never peak because the best is yet to come. Peace out!